Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making some freezer ready breakfast sandwiches. The only things that you need are eggs, English muffins, bacon or sausage patties, whichever you prefer, and some cheese. And then on the stove over here, you can see I have some muffin tins ready because I find that that is the easiest way to make the eggs. That way I don't have to sit and fry a bunch of eggs kind of over hard or over medium. So we're going to plop an egg into each one of these muffin tins, and that's how we're going to cook the egg. And then to put it together, it's super simple. After we've made them, we're going to wrap them up in plastic wrap, like saran wrap, stick them in a Ziploc freezer bag, and that's that. So let's get started. To start, let's preheat our oven to 350. And then we're going to use just some cooking spray to lightly grease each pod of the muffin tins. Oh, see, I said it was easy and then I broke the first egg. While we wait for the oven to preheat, we are going to just take some English muffins and cut them in half so that they are ready to assemble once the eggs are done. So our oven is preheated and ready to go. So we just need to season our eggs. So I'm just going to do some sea salt and black pepper. All right, and let's get them in the oven. And then just set a timer for 15 minutes and check on them. In the meantime, I'm going to take the tops off of each one. Good thing I cleaned my stovetop because I ran out of room on my cutting board. This one got a little sliced, but that's okay. So on the bottom of each, I'm going to put a slice of cheese. Then I will also put a slice or two of bacon. We'll see what fits. Then we'll do an egg, and then we'll do another layer of cheese and then put the top on, and that is ready to go. All right, this is going to go back in the freezer for later use. I always label what it is with the date that I cooked and froze it so that I know. I'm going to go ahead and put, put some cheese on the tops just so that I'm not standing idly and wasting time. I can be doing something productive. All right, in order to make room for when the eggs come out, I'm going to move these over to the countertop and just pop these on top. Hey Google, stop. Okay, I'm going to let these cool slightly before I try and pry them out, and then we will add them to our sandwiches. Okay, I think these are ready to come out. Let's try it with a small rubber spatula first. And just go all the way around. Perfect. For some reason, my brain did not calculate the number of eggs correctly, but good thing I have all of this in the freezer or fridge ready to make more. All right, and the 2 that are left in my muffin tin here, we will just eat for breakfast tomorrow. All right, now that they are assembled, it is time to package them up for the freezer. So all you have to do is get a sheet of saran wrap, grab the sandwich, put it kind of towards the end, and then I like to kind of just roll it like that, flip it like that, and kind of tuck it all together. And now I'm putting them in individual bags. So this one tells me that it's just American cheese, and here's the date that I made them and stuck them in the freezer. Now I will tell you, there should have been 4 in here, but I dropped 2 different sandwiches while trying to take the thumbnail photo. So my dog Bruno got a nice little treat. And I may have misjudged the size here, but we'll just stuff them in. They'll be fine. All right, that is all. All right, we made quite a few. Look at that. Okay, now these are ready for the freezer. All you have to do to reheat them is take them out the night before, thaw them in the fridge, and then stick them in the microwave with a paper towel on top for about 3 minutes. You could flip it halfway through so that you make sure you don't get a soggy bottom bun. However, if you're like me and forget to take them out of the freezer and thaw them, you can heat them up directly from frozen. Just make your microwave half power, do about 30 seconds still with a paper towel on top, then flip it over, do it for full power for about a minute, minute and a half, and they should be good to go. Thanks again for watching, you guys. I really do appreciate it. Go ahead and like, subscribe, all that jazz. If you enjoyed this video, share it around. It really does help me out, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.